Hi, I'm Darren from Safety Dave, and today I'm here to tell you about an exciting new product, the Safety Dave transmitter. What's the transmitter for? Well, if you have an existing Safety Dave wide camera in your van, whether it be a single or a dual, you can now add the transmitter to the front cable of the van, and therefore you can have a wireless monitor, whether it be a mirror or a dash monitor. The transmitter simply plugs into the front of your van, and the wiring, you draw your power from your 7 or 12 pin plug. What's the advantage of this? Well, you're getting new technology. You're also getting the choice of the 7-inch or 6.2-inch dash monitor and the 7-inch mirror monitor. You can add up to 4 cameras, has excellent night vision, and you can have the reverse guidelines as well. And it can also record. So here you see an example of the wireless monitor with the wide camera and the transmitter. For more information, call us at Safety Dave on 1800 072 338, or if you're interested in purchasing, you can also ring us or purchase off the website on the Shop Online tab at the Safety Dave website. Thank you.